Guys, it's time to take 5 minutes and talk about climate change and global warming. Global warming is a hoax. And what I'm going to show you here in just a couple of minute video is exactly the kind of thing that you need to see to recheck what people have been feeding you about what's going on with this climate change stuff. Okay? Now, I just happened to come across this site randomly. Okay? And this dude's got a top 10 list of why climate change is a hoax. I'm sure you've heard in the news that 2014 was supposed to be the hottest year ever. If it actually was the hottest year ever, you'd think all the terrible calamities that are supposed to happen will be happening now, but instead the opposite is happening. In 2014, there was record sea ice in Antarctica. In fact, a global warming expedition got stuck in it. Arctic sea ice has also made a nice comeback in 2014. The Great Lakes had record ice. Lake Superior only had 3 ice-free months in 2014. You'd think that on the hottest year ever, that would be melting like Al Gore said. In 2014, we saw record snowfall in many areas. Remember when they said that global warming would cause the snow to disappear and children won't know what snow is? Number 3. In 2014, we saw all kinds of cold records. Remember the polar vortex? You'd think that we'd be breaking all kinds of heat records in the hottest year ever. Oceans are rising much less than predicted. Polar bears are thriving. Moose are making a comeback. A few years ago, the moose population in Minnesota dropped rapidly, and they immediately blamed global warming. Then they did a study and found out it was actually wolves that were killing the moose. So now wolves have been taken off the endangered species list and are now endangering other species. So they opened a wolf hunting season in Minnesota, and the moose are coming back. It turns out it had nothing to do with global warming. In fact, the years when the moose population declined were some very cold ones. And this is the big one right here, y'all. You've probably heard that over 99% of scientists believe in global warming. Well, the opposite is true. The talking point came from a study where only 75 scientists said they believe in global warming. On the other hand, over 31,000 scientists have signed a petition saying they don't believe in catastrophic man-made global warming. And this is what I want you to see right here. So I click the link. Global Warming Petition Project. 31,487 American scientists have signed this petition, including 9,029 with PhDs. And if you go, let me see if I can find, if you click on the instructions for signing the petition, I'm going to go right over here. Okay, let's pull up a little bit more. There we go. And you see all these names going across your screen at light speed. This doesn't even discuss other countries. These are all the people in the United States, all in fields related directly to the study of global warming. Because as you can see, and I'll skip right over here and I'll show you, because you can see over here, it has instructions, and it says right here, it says signing the petitions signatories to the petition are required to have formal training in the analysis of information and physical science. This includes primarily those with BS, MS, or PhD degrees in science, engineering, or related disciplines. And as you can see right here, over 30,000 of these people, highly educated in all these related fields, right here in America, all say the same thing, that global warming is a hoax. So all these names right here that you're seeing flying across your screen are all these experts that they're talking to you about on CNN and at these climate meetings and blah, 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 except all of these experts are all saying one thing: global warming is bogus. Take from it whatever you will, guys. You can believe a bunch of lip service on TV, or you can look at the empirical evidence, and maybe it's time to start going, you know what? Maybe we should question what these guys are telling us.